Hi, I'm Lissette Martinez, and this is your USD News Minute. It's that time of year again when the sounds of mariachi echo through the halls of the university. Join the USD Mariachi Ensemble for the 8th Annual Mariachi Conference, where high school students from the region unite for a weekend of workshops and music, led by renowned mariachi artists from both the U.S. and Mexico. The event is open to the public. Proceeds go to help fund this wonderful program. Another event worthy of mention is the 3rd Annual Crocs Peace Innovators, an electrifying night where some of the most brilliant minds on campus share their work, passion, and ideas for building peace through innovation across all disciplines. You can catch the insightful presentations on the Crocs School website. And our very own Provost Gail Baker is being honored in her hometown of Chicago for Black History Month. The Circuit Court of Cook County, one of the largest court systems in the U.S., is recognizing Dr. Baker as a community treasure. Congratulations, Dr. Baker. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.